Welcome back. It's a partial fish ban in Goa, while hundreds of Goan fishing boats and trawlers are anchored on the jetties following monsoon ban. Goan markets still see a fish in abundance from the neighbouring states, may it be from Kerala, Karnataka or Tamil Nadu. While Goan fishermen demand a uniform fishing ban for all states, Goans don't mind shelling out extra sum on imported fish. Prudent special report.
By hook or crook, Goenkans want to see fish on their meal plate. Even after fishing ban in the state, sea fish is dumped in abundance across the Goan fish markets. Bangre, Tarle, Duriare. These are the visuals of wholesale fish market at Mardel Margaon. Guessing from where this fish is from, it is brought from Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Several truckloads with various types of fish get unloaded every day in the markets. Supply and trading gets a boom as Goa imposes seasonal fishing ban.
Fishing ban
Kerala आणि तमिळनाडू आता सध्या दोड्यारे इले बांगडोले इले बांगडे इले सगळे जायते भाषा नुसते रे आता पुढे दुसरे भाषा नुसते आता.
While Goan fishermen demand a uniform fish ban for all states, Goans don't mind shelling out extra sums on imported fish. The rates, though little high, Goans still prefer imported fish on the meal plate. Savio dies for Prudent.
Argentina beat Belgium 1-0 to enter the World Cup semi-final after 24 long years. Argentina will now face the Netherlands in the semi-finals on Wednesday after they beat Costa Rica on penalties. After a goalless 120th minute, the Dutch did everything possible but score in normal time, directing 20 attempts on goal and hitting 3 posts as Costa Rica sat back and defended for most of the match, managing only one shot of its own. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.